Namaste. India Meteorological Department welcomes you in its daily weather briefing for weather during past 24 hours and weather warning during next 24 hours. As far as monsoon conditions are concerned, we can see in this left-hand side India map that monsoon remain weak. Weak monsoon conditions prevailed over the plains of North India, Punjab, Haryana, UP, Bihar, and Jharkhand, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, East Madhya Pradesh, Vidarbha, Marathwada, Telangana. And also over weak monsoon conditions prevailed over sub-Himalayan West Bengal and Sikkim and Assam and Meghalaya and NMMT, that is Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram and Tripura. We had a low pressure area over northwest MP and neighborhood today 5:30 hours IST of today, and under the influence of that low pressure area, monsoon remained vigorous over Gujarat state and active over West MP and Madhya Maharashtra. Over rest parts of the country, monsoon remained normal. Extremely heavy rainfall was reported over West Rajasthan and West MP, and very heavy rainfall was reported at isolated places over Jammu and Kashmir, East Rajasthan, Gujarat state, Madhya Maharashtra, and South Interior Karnataka. If we come to today's synoptic systems, then we can see that the monsoon trough today is passing through Ganganagar, Hisar, Delhi, Aligarh, Fursadganj, Gaya, Bankura, and thence southeastwards to northeast Bay of Bengal. The low pressure area, today's low pressure area, has become less marked at 8:30 hours IST of today, but the associated sizer is lying over northwest MP and neighborhood. Also, there is an east-west trough roughly along 25-degree latitude, which we can see in this picture. If we now come to the weather warnings, then we can see from this graph, as we can see this warning graphics, during next 5 days, the main warning prone area is our northwest India. That is Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Punjab, Haryana, and West UP. And during the since, as we can see, there was in our synoptic systems, we can see that there was a sizer over North Bay of Bengal and neighborhood, and under the influence of this sizer, a low pressure area is very likely to form around 28th of July. So under the influence of this sizer, weather activity is going to increase over East India and adjoining parts of central India from 28th of July. So if we start from 26th of July, that is from today, then we can see that there is orange color all over this western Himalayan region, Punjab and Haryana. So isolated heavy to very heavy rainfall is likely over this region, and due to this remnant sizer of the low pressure area, isolated heavy to very heavy rainfall is likely over East Rajasthan, Gujarat region, and West MP, and also the Madhya Maharashtra. And next day on 27th and 28th, the rainfall intensity over Western Himalayan region and adjoining plains is very likely to increase when isolated extremely heavy rainfall is likely over Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, and West UP on 27th, and Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand on 28th. Isolated extremely heavy rainfall means we get at one or two stations more than 20 centimeter rainfall, and the isolated heavy to very heavy rainfall is likely over Punjab, Haryana, and heavy rainfall likely over East Rajasthan and West MP. And this activity over northwest India is likely to slightly reduce on 29th, when only isolated heavy to very heavy rainfall is likely over western Himalayan region and adjoining plains, and is likely to substantially reduced on 30th of July, when only isolated heavy rainfall is likely over Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, and Haryana. but the heavy to very heavy rainfall over Uttarakhand will continue till 30th of July. And next, our warning prone area from 28th July, as we have seen, is that due to upcoming low pressure area, and that will cause isolated heavy to very heavy rainfall over Gangetic West Bengal, Jharkhand, and Odisha, and that will continue on 29th and 30th as well. And as far as this west coast is considered, the rainfall along the west coast has substantially reduced, and it is likely to remain. It is likely to reduce further, and but in view of upcoming low pressure area or North Bay of Bengal, this rainfall activity is very likely to increase from 29th July, when we are expecting isolated heavy to very heavy rainfall over uh, Konkan coast, and on 30th of July, when we are expecting Konkan and Goa and Ghat areas of Madhya Maharashtra, isolated heavy to very heavy rainfall. And also one thing, as this weather activity over northwest India is going to happen due to northward shifting of the western end of the monsoon trough, plus the moisture feed which this trough is going to get from Arabian Sea. Strong winds are going to feed moisture into this trough. So there is accordingly, we have given strong wind warning over North Arabian Sea. As we can see, this symbol indicates strong wind warning. So strong wind warning for Gujarat coast during next 5 days, and also strong wind warning for Maharashtra coast from 28th of July. Also, this strong winds are likely to prevail during next 5 days over north and central Bay of Bengal. So during this intense spell over northwest India, localized flooding of roads, water logging in low-lying areas, and closure of underpasses in urban areas are very likely, and minor damage to Kacha roads, and possibility of damage to vulnerable structures, and localized landslides and mudslides in the western Himalayan region are very likely. Also, there is a possible likely damage to horticulture and standing crops in some areas due to inundation. So these are the impact expected, and accordingly we have to the India Meteorological Department suggests you to check for traffic congestion on your route before leaving for your destination, and to follow the traffic advisory, and avoid going to the areas which are prone to landslides, mudslides, or which often experience waterlogging problems, and avoid staying in vulnerable structures. Our different meteorological centers and regional meteorological centers keep on issuing region specific impact based forecasts and action suggested. So we request you to follow our respective meteorological centers and regional meteorological centers warnings, impact based warnings, so that this danger due to this severe weather, upcoming severe weather, may be avoided. Our app, Mosam app, Damini app, and Meghdut app are available on both Android and iOS platforms. And our website, mosam.imd.gov.in. Please follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. We are frequently updating about weather warnings and upcoming weather severe weather scenario. Thank you very much for today, and tomorrow we will again meet for the next weather warning video. Thank you very much.